मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट क्लास पे आपने पढ़ा था ओ साउंड वर्ड्स विथ 3 लेटर। नाउ very good morning students. In the last class we have to learn about O sound words 3 letter. Okay, now we have to write and learn 4 letter words with sound O. Look at the notebook. Our first word is ba oat boat, ka oat coat, ga oat goat, ba on bone, sha up shop, dra up drop, da all doll, la ong long, la ok lock. Okay, these are some 4 letter words you have to write down in your notebook and learn it. How to write down in cursive letters? Look at the copy. Ba oat boat, ba oat boat, ka oat goat, ka oat goat, ga oat goat, ga oat goat, ba on bone. You know who is having juicy bone? Who like to eat juicy bone? Puppy. Have you seen? Puppy like juicy bones. Sha up shop, sha up shop, dra up drop, dra up drop, da all doll, da all doll. Did you remember? गुड़िया, जो मेरे पास भी थी बचपन में, पिंक कलर की. ला ऑंग लॉन्ग, ला ऑंग लॉन्ग. आपको याद है हमने स्पोर्ट डे वाले दिन लॉन्ग जंप की थी. ला ऑक लॉक, ला ऑक लॉक. लॉक को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? ता से ताला. सो दीज आर ओ साउंड वर्ड्स विथ 4 letter. You have to write down in your notebooks and learn it. Okay, thank you.